Welcome to another market commentary video. In this video, I'll be talking about the craze of AI, and hopefully I can, after you're done watching this video, you will briefly understand what is AI and why the industry is having this giant AI craze. AI is separated into two categories. The service providers who just provide the service and not actually, make the AI product and the hardware itself. And those guys, they tend to run the massive centralized data centers where a bunch of computers are all in one location and they just process AI requests that you end users just sending. These three companies in question, that there are more, however, these three are the big major companies that I know that you are guaranteed as viewers of this channel and video will guarantee to know. Microsoft, Google, and Amazon. Yes, they run massive data centers too that has all these AI hardware. They are there to, again, process all the AI requests that you're buying a rice cooker or some phone, or you're buying some the new Microsoft Copilot. Guess what? These things are on your locally has no such AI capability, but rather your device is here's a pre-configured route to send to where if the user decides to use the AI features. The real money maker of this AI, boom is the AI hardware designer and manufacturers. The three company, again, that I'm going to name, I did name them because they are big and you're guaranteed almost to know them. Yes, there are some other hard AI manufacturers, but they're not as well known, or you might be using them, but you might not know the company that made that hardware. So, the three companies that I am pretty sure you're guaranteed to know that manufacture and design AI products is Intel, AMD, and NVidia. These guys, as I previously alluded to, they manufacture and make a lot of the AI, and a lot of the software is based on their product and their reference software standard. This generally means the king of AI at the moment is NVIDIA. Why? How is NVIDIA able to do this? NVIDIA has basically made a really, really easy to use ecosystem with the NVIDIA AI, CUDA AI, and the NVIDIA Tensor AI. However, the other two, AMD and Intel, they do have good hardware. However, with the ecosystem, they are not as easy as, NVIDIA, and as a result, they do exist in the market, but a lot of time, a lot of AI vendors, for the sake of easy hop in to this AI hype train, they just use NVIDIA Tensor AI and CUDA AI. So, how does NVIDIA segment their AI product lineup? NVIDIA has their architecture name, whatever, and then the whatever SKU. So 1 to 9. The bigger, closer to 9 is, the more powerful it is, with the exemption of 0. 0 is their most powerful specific hardware that they have designed, called accelerators. These things, they are specifically designed, as the name, designed to accelerate artificial intelligence, and they are, the most powerful chip that NVIDIA makes for their AI. The other competition, AMD, they have, again, unlike NVIDIA, where they we are going to just name SKU their architecture and whatever 10 to 9, they have two distinct lineups. The WRX series. The first number that follows after the series is the generation. And then the numbers afterwards is the SKU number. Very, very easy to understand. Thank you, AMD, for making a very easy to understand product lineup. And unlike, and then, AI specific or very accelerator focused, they call them the MI series. They have the MI standard series, where they try and make it generic accelerator as possible. And then there's the A series, as the A stands for APUs, which is, it's going to be it's going to have both CPU, GPU, and onboard memory for both the CPU and GPU shared. And then they have the X series, which, as the name suggests, extreme performance. That means it's their most high performance accelerators that AMD has offered. Again, and Intel, the third man in this AI rat race. They have two lineups, Max series and the Flex series. Again, Max series, as I think you could guess, it's maximum performance. That is, again, Intel's high performance SKU, and which the Flex series, as you guessed it, it's meant to be flexible. It is trying to be a jack of all trades. It may not be the best performance, but it will work in all scenarios. This is basically me explaining the AI and the two sections of artificial intelligence. And now let me get on to explaining you all of the end user products. A lot of the end user product that has AI label, as I pre-alluded to, has no true AI capability natively. As basically all those products that have been labeled with AI, all they're doing is, we see the user put in a request, and we have this predetermined algorithm to be like, okay, we send these type of requests to these data centers, and then we get to wait for the response from the data center, like Microsoft, Google, and Amazon, to send back the answer inquiry of the customer and then we can give it to the customer. Those are what majority of the AI product that is on the market. There are very, very rarely premium AI products that are capable of on-device capable of basic artificial intelligence. Those end-user consumer premium AI tends to be able to do local processing, local organization, as they basically download large data set from data centers and be like, okay, here's and they will generally tell the user, be like, okay, here's the restriction of our AI. So like some AI would be like, we can only do text, or hey, we can only do, pictures for certain style, or two, we can only make videos, however limited second. That's what the premium AI end user product AI is. They come with only very, very limitation and still cost quite a fair bit. You're wondering, what end user products are they? A lot of these are, for the NVidia side, you would be familiar with the NVIDIA RTX series. Those have local capable AI capability. For AMD, you would have already known them as the Radeon RX series. For official AI support, AMD will only support AI with RX 7000 series and newer. Anything older than RX 7000 series, they work. It's not like they're not going to work, but AMD don't guarantee them working flawlessly locally, and may require, some cloud service to help out the local basic AI engine that is on board of the older device, or help them get them up to par to be capable of doing artificial intelligence. Now, and the third person, company in this is Intel. You would have known them. They have Intel Arc discrete graphics card that you and I can go to any computer retailer and buy. These things, again, they interface it via the Intel whatever control graphics driver control panel. That's how they get their AI to be. As you can hopefully, I am right now. This video has shown you how easy access is for these companies to access AI, as they basically have to ring up Microsoft, Google, or either Amazon and be like, "Hey, can we just rent some AI server and yeah, we're just gonna send a bunch of our product inquiry to you, and basically, voila, you have a product that is AI certified." And this enables the sellers, the product / service provider, be like, "We are AI certified, we are AI capable, we are now charging you premium over the non-AI competitors." And as well as shareholders these days be like, "Oh, you have AI in your whatever portfolio? Cool. We're gonna pay extra increased amount of, worth just because you have this AI." That the AI investors are like, "Oh, right now is the new hot thing. Let's invest while," and we just take as much hot shot as possible. Be like, "Hey, we are just gonna try give everybody a try. Some will fail. Quite a lot of them will fail, and very, very few amount of these AI startups or AI products, services, and products will end up succeeding." And yeah, there will be a lot of bankrupt companies, a lot of failed businesses as a result of this AI hype train. As an end user, be skeptical about this AI for the short term. Long term, we can foresee AI for the ones that do survive this apocalypse that is inevitable. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do the typical like and subscribe and share this video so that more people are aware of this community and the videos that I do create. And I'll see you guys in the next video.